Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name is Adam. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you need to install your Facebook pixel because there's so many videos out there showing you the outdated stuff when it comes to installing your Facebook pixel. And I'm getting so many questions from people saying, hey, I don't know how I need to install my Facebook pixel. What do I need to do? It's not triggering the right data. It's not triggering all the events that I need. So in order to solve that, I'm going to show you guys how you need to install your Facebook pixel correctly and how you also can test and see if it is triggering the right events. All right, so let's get straight into it. Alright guys, first what you need to do, go over to Facebook and log into your Facebook account because we need to create a Facebook business page. After we created a Facebook business page, you need to create a Facebook business manager account. And after we create a Facebook business manager account, we need to create an ad account and our pixel. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So what you need to do is after you logged in, on the left it's going to say pages, so click on that. And here it says create a new page, so you want to click on that as well. And after you clicked on it, you can just fill in your business information here. So I'm just going to put in dummy, and then for example, I'm a clothing brand, and then dummy. So try to fill this in as detailed as possible. And whatever question Facebook has, try to always fill everything in on your Facebook business page because this is crucial. If you don't do this, what's going to happen is if you later decide to run Facebook ads, you may have the possibility that your Facebook ad account will be blocked because you don't have much business details on your Facebook page, right? So you don't want to skip this step, guys. So definitely fill in everything as much as you can, all right? So after you created it, what you're going to do is you want to head over to Google and type in Facebook Business Manager. So after you typed Facebook Business Manager, you want to click on the first link that comes here, so Meta Business Suite and Business Manager. And you'll be presented with this screen right here. So what you want to do is from here, you want to click on Create Accounts. And you just fill in your, your business name. So for this video, I'll just do dummy. So dummy, and then business email. So dummy@gmail.com, for example. And then you just click on submit, fill in some more information. And after that, you'll create your business manager account. And once your business manager account is created, what you need to do is there are 3 lines here. So click on that. From there, we need to go to business settings. So click on that as well. So now, obviously I have a lot of business manager accounts. So I have, that's why I have a lot of accounts here showing up. So I'm just going to click, for the sake of this video, one of the dummy accounts. So I'm going to click on this one. Okay, what we need to do now, because we created our Facebook business page, we created our Facebook business manager, but we need to create an ad account and a pixel. So if you scroll down to where it says account and open this up, it says ad accounts, click on that. And then from here, you can click on this blue button here that says add. So click on that and then click on create a new ad account. And now we can name our ad account. So we can give it a name. So let's do dummy YouTube video, for example. And then select your currency. I'm from Europe, so I'm going to do euros. Euro. So after you've done that, it will say this ad account will be used for, and then you can go ahead and select your business manager account. So for this account, it's Rice Media, and then I'll click on my business and then create. Okay, as you can see, our ad account is created at the moment, but we need to give someone access to this ad account, and the person that needs access to this ad account is ourselves. So I'm going to select my own name, click on manage ad account, and then assign. And now I'm officially the owner of this ad account. All right, so click on close. You can go ahead and add a payment info, but since this is a dummy account, I'm not going to add a payment info. So I'm going to exit this. And as you can see, we have a ad account right now. All right, so we've done that as well. All we need to do right now is to create a pixel. So what you want to do is here, scroll down to where it says data sources, open this up and click on pixels. Now it says that we don't have any pixel yet, so we're going to create one. So click on this blue button here that says add. And then it's going to ask us to give our pixel a name. So I'm going to give my pixel a name, and that's going to be YouTube, dummy YouTube. And I'm going to put my website URL here as well. So this is my dummy website URL. And then I'm going to click on continue. And now it says, are you ready to set up your pixel? So we're going to click on set up the pixel now. And And basically we have now 3 options, but the option that I like to go for, and which I recommend you as well, is add code using a partner integration. So click on that. And now you'll be presented with all the most used platforms where people host their website. In this scenario, because I'm using Shopify, I'm going to click on Shopify. Now it says connect your Shopify account to Facebook. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back over to Shopify. We're going to click on Online Store, click on Preferences, and if you scroll down here, it says Facebook Pixel. All right, click on Set up Facebook. Okay, now Shopify wants us to add the Facebook channel to our platform. So we're going to do that. We're going to click on Add Sales Channel. All right, now we have added the Facebook sales channel. As you can see to the left here, we can see the Facebook logo as well. So we need to fill in some information in order to set up everything. So it says here, connect your Facebook account to get started. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll click on connect account. And it asks for my password. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Click on continue right now. As you can see, our Facebook account has connected right now, and we need to select our business manager account. Remember in the beginning of the video, we created a business manager account, so we need to select that business manager account. For this video, for this example, I've used Rice Media, so I'm going to connect that one. Okay, now it's connected and it's asking for domain verification. We can do that as well. So I'm going to click on it, confirm. Okay, I'm getting an error because it's claimed by another business manager account, which is, it's fine. I can skip that. But if you're doing it yourself, definitely go ahead and verify it. So now it's asking for an ad account. So what we need to do is we need to select our ad account that we created. So obviously the ad account that we created was dummy YouTube. So I'm going to select that one. And then it wants us to accept some terms and conditions. So I'm going to click on this. Click on accept here and then close it, open the other one, click on accept, close it, and then we can click on done. Okay, so now we need to connect our Facebook business page. Remember, we created a Facebook business page, so we need to connect that now. So obviously the one that I'm going to connect is the dummy YouTube Facebook business page. So I'm going to click on that, click on connect. And as you can see, it connected instantly. And then here it says data sharing. So I'm going to open that because this is really important. And what you want to do is, so you have 3 options here. So conservative, enhanced, and maximum. You always want to go for maximum because maximum just works the best. Obviously, you want to get as many data as possible. So click on maximum. And then from here, you can select the pixel that you want to use. So we're going to click on disconnect because this was not the pixel that we're going to use. So I want to disconnect this one. And I want to select dummy YouTube. So I'm going to click on dummy YouTube, click on connect, and then we can click on confirm. And from here, it asks Facebook target country. So, you can just select United States if you're in the United States. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to do the Netherlands, and then terms and conditions, we can accept that. And then basically you can click on finish setup. Obviously I can't do that myself right now because I need to add a valid payment detail, and this is a dummy account, so I'm not going to do that. But if you've done this correctly, you should be able to click on finish setup, and then you will have your Facebook pixel installed to your Shopify. So what we want to do right now, so we installed our Facebook pixel to our Shopify, but we need to know if it is actually working. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Facebook business manager, and from here you want to go to event manager. So click on those 3 lines here and click on events manager. So I'm presenting with 3 pixels now. You may have 1 or 2, or more than that. Just click on the pixel that you created. So in this case, it's dummy YouTube. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on test events. And then we're gonna fill in our website URL. and click on open website. Okay, what you want to do when doing this is if you have ad blocker on, you want to turn it off, because if you have it on, it's not going to trigger any event data. All right, so turn it off if you can. So after you turn it off, go back to your Facebook Business Manager. Okay, we can see that it is working right now, but I also want to know if my pixel is triggering any events when it comes to, looking at the product page, adding to cart, and, initiating checkout. So I'm going to go back to my website, and I'm going to, click on one of the products that I have, for example. So I'm going to click on this. And I'm going back to the Events Manager. Okay, and now we can see that view content is also working. So that's perfect. So let's add this product to cart and see if it's working as well. So I'm going to click on Add to Cart. And then I'm going to click on View My Cart and go back to Events Manager. And as you can see, it's working as well. So it says Add to Cart. So it's working as well. But I also want to know if initiated checkout is working too. So I'm going to go back to the website. I'm going to click on checkout. And let's see if it's working. So it says custom event. It's because I have a dummy website. But for your website, if your website is live, it should say checkout here, right? So for me, it doesn't say checkout, but for you, it should say checkout. So that's working probably as well, since it says custom event. So everything when it comes to our Facebook pixel is working correctly. Alright guys, that's basically how you need to install your Facebook pixel to your Shopify account. Now, if you guys have any questions, feel free to, put them down in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them as quick as possible. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to go ahead and smash that like button, because this is actually my first YouTube video, right? So go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to this channel as well, because I'm planning to upload so much valuable content for you guys. So you don't want to miss that out. All right. So yeah, again, I hope you enjoyed this. And on that note, I wish you guys a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.